Today, guys, this is going to be a Maytag Bravo's water pump drain sound. So let's go. Focus! I'm not dealing with this camera in the way. Focusing. It might be the brightness lock thing that it does every time. It's starting to get annoying. But plus, we're going to be quiet because I like the way it sounds. I'm also going to zoom in so you guys can see it better. Some people, they don't see it far away. Alright, here we go. So quiet in here. It might be the sensor that's making it. Bro, that noise just scared me. And guys, the clicking noise coming from the bottom, it's unlocking the valve. It might break if you touch it. But I can't tell if you can get hurt by touching it. But I did not touch it, but I'm just saying, so I'm just saying, guys, no need to worry about it. Alright, guys, I'm just saying, I'm not yelling. And guys, it might be the sensor that's making it take so long before the water drains. It could be the sensor or the motor and stuff and the valve. Oh, it's here we go. It's spinning. Also, guys, listen to this. Listen. Here goes. That noise, it's the water filling up, but it's on a spin cycle. Why does it need to fill up more water before it stops? I don't get it. Why does it need to do that? And I think the water pump is gonna scare me again. I'm not ready for this. Sorry about that. I'm scared right now. I'm scared because it's gonna start right now. Focus, please. There we go. I can't tell if it's gonna scare me again. I think it will. It will, because I know when it's gonna come out. Pop out, you mean. Come on, please. The clothes are up there in the basket. No need to worry about it. Bro, Bro, that noise just scared me again. Guys, like I said, I did not get mad. I'm just saying. And it's on the spin cycle. Alright, guys, this time it's not going to scare me. I'm just going to leave it like this. Here we go. Here it comes. I told you it did not scare me. Like I said, I knew it was gonna pop up. Here it comes. Get ready. Here it comes. Scared me that time. I like the way it sounds, and it's gonna do it again. It was loud that time. And it's gonna do it again. Here it comes again. Alright guys, we'll listen to it again, but this time we'll listen to the unlocking valve sound. Get ready guys. I don't know if you hear that, but I know that's the valve making clicking noise. It's the valve unlocking. So no need to worry about it. Oh, yeah. Uh-oh, my camera. Gotta be quiet. Alright, here it comes. Get ready, guys. Yeah, it makes that clicking sound because of the valve. Like I say, guys, if you touch the inside of the valve that makes that clicking noise, maybe I can't tell if you'll get hurt because it's made to do that. So it always does that every time. It always does that every single time. Wait, what the heck is that? That looks weird. Focus, please. There, wait. Right there, boom. Guys, some people, they don't like Maytags. And some people do. That's why they like to have him. But I don't know about this one. I don't know what kind this one is, but I know it is called a Maytag since you see the logo. It only says Bravos, and this one on here, on this side says Maytag America. Sorry guys if you don't see it. Alright, bye guys. There it goes, and that's it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys. We'll listen to it one more time. Here goes. It might be the water that's making it do that. Like there could be air inside of it. Alright guys, I gotta go now. Bye guys. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. There it goes, and that's it. By the way, I'm making a part 2 video. Bye guys. There it goes, and that's it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.